Introducing the Zebronics Contactless Infrared Thermometer, an essential tool in today's unprecedented time. It comes with a high accuracy of zero point 0.2 degrees Celsius and rapid scan with scan rate of just 1 second. The intelligent 3-color temperature indication makes sure that nothing goes unnoticed. Normal human body temperature range is indicated with green color, while mild fever will be indicated with bright yellow and high fever range is indicated with red color. Very intuitive and easy to understand. This contactless thermometer is an essential equipment in places like offices, factories, malls, train stations, airports, and etc. It comes with various features like Celsius and Fahrenheit mode, light in weight design, compact size, 16 sets memory, and an auto shut off for power saving.